For the last 14 years, I've been standing strong on the Mr. Real Estate brand, the Mr. Real Estate moniker. I've been that in over 1,000 YouTube videos, millions, tens of millions of views online, national platforms. And so one of our announcements tonight is that we are, because my team is always with me, is that I'm going to be transcending my brand. It's always about evolution. And so the evolution for me is, as I've learned business, perfected my craft in business, and I'm continuing to perfect it, I want to personally level up and shake the box of just being Mr. Real Estate, which I've been since 25 years old. I now just turned 37, going on my 14th year of Mr. Real Estate. And so today, we're going to be officially retiring the Mr. Real Estate jersey. So on our birthday, 4 years at the school, I've earned the right, I've put in a lot of work to be able to level up as a businessman, as a business owner. There's a lot more that I want to accomplish. My heart's desire, first heart's desire is to help repair and restore my community. And then my second goal is to be a billionaire. And to be the billionaire that I want to be, it's going to take more than just real estate for me to do that. And so we teach branding in our school, and part of branding is you got to announce yourself. So today I'm announcing to the world that it's no longer Mr. Real Estate Morrison. He is retired, he is in the rafters, but it is Mr. J. Morrison, the business mogul, the activist, the author, the entrepreneur. And so thank you guys for your support on that. You want to turn it around the front, sir?